Hi everybody, it's Chartsky here with what we did on March 22nd. Another day I picked to show something special, or a couple things. First of all, this was an add-on day, a day where we get the full daily profit target and the daily profit target plus, and then we add on to that. But that's not the most important thing. It's easy to get an entry and watch price go in your favor, go to break even and take your profits. Anybody can do that. But when price is whipping, when the markets are really dangerous, that's a little tougher. And if you hadn't already figured it out with me, money management, trade management is very, very important. So here is some of the audio and video from the live trading room March 22nd. All right, let's sell 35 in the S&P. 2035s like we talked about. May have to bring it down a tick. I thought we'd get filled. Let's come down 34 3/4. And we'll go in at 15 on a sell in crude oil. May have to, let's come down another tick, 34.5. And we're in the S&P, 5 points to the downside, 4 points stop. See if we can't add on just a little more. I still want to come up a little. $35.5 should stop the S&P. 25 ticks in crude oil. We'll lower crude oil to 12, 41.12. We got to get in on a, got to go at 02 on a trade through. I'm going to put a stop limit at 02. It's going to be a good down move. So 41.12 or 41.02 would be the entries in crude oil. We're already in the S&P at 34.5. Looking for 5 points, and these will be the last trades if we get them. Remember the rules on the add-on day. Looks like we're going to get in at 41.02 or thereabouts in crude. We may get slipped if it turns down. Got the computers playing games. All right, we're in at 02. Take off your entry at 12. 25 ticks. And let's hold on, see if we can ride these down. Great add-on day yesterday. Let's see if we can get 2 in a row. You know, we had those slow days a week or so ago. And it always seems like after slow days, you get great add-on days. Just have to be patient. S&P's trying to come down. Come on, fill 33 for us. S&P needs to fill down to 33. There's a little push. There we go. Fill at 33. We should be fine now. Crude oil's trying to push. Still a little tight to go to break even. Sorry about that. That was the computer. Still just a little too tight for me. I want to see it come down a little bit more. We got so much whip in these markets. It could come back once. If I get another turn down, we'll go to +1. Just a lot of whip. Look at this whip. I sure don't want to give away 25 ticks getting whipped out. We're not going to take a loss, hopefully. If we do, it'll be a tiny small loss, but we already got great profits in the middle of an add-on day, so we can be a little more aggressive in our trade managements. That S&P's just hanging on by its fingernails, not coming down. Oh, we didn't mark up the scratch trade, did we? Before 9:30. All right, we'll add that one here in a minute. Let's manage these. I need to watch the domes. S&P's trying to come down. Hits that SR level, we're going to go to break even in the S&P, because it could bounce off of it. I don't think it will, but it could. And see what we talk about in crude, whipping back. It's 7 ticks away from our entry. Could come back to the entry. So we'll just give them room and time and let them work. Just like we said, crude oil's whipping back. It's almost to the entry again. It's staying under our entry. Great. Come on back to the entry, get it over with. we go. Would have gotten knocked out. Pushing up for the week long, the week shorts. Just so much. Look at the last 3 candles in crude oil. Spike, spike, spike. S&P's just hanging. It'll move. It's got a lot of whip in it so far. We've seen this a lot lately. All this alleged volume down here, which is an awful lot, if not mostly wash trades, in my opinion. I've got no, I don't, I can't see the actual trades, so, but I know what it looks like. Here we go, coming on down. That's the computer, sorry about that. We gotta wait till it hits the SR level. Got the wrong dome up, that's the problem. So, apologize. Come on down, S&P. Might take a little work to get it through that SR level at 31. Or it may come straight through. You never can tell. Here comes crude pushing down. Come on. Both of you come on down. Let's go to break even in crude oil. If it comes back up here, there's just not anything we can do about it. We're about to go to break even in the S&P. They could bounce. So we're giving them plenty of room, but there's a difference in giving them plenty of room and being reckless. S&P is not getting to the SR level. Go to break even in the S&P trade too. Here comes crude oil, right? Trying to come right back up. No follow through. Problem being, the follow through could be to the upside. Same with the S&P. We got great entries and we're letting them work, but these markets could turn. So we're at break even on add-on trades. Here we go in the S&P, see if it can get through this SR level. 2031, that's the key SR level. We'll probably trail both of these since they're add-on trades. When they get a little closer, I want this to get under. +1 in crude oil. If it hits that, it'll hit break even, so at least cover cost and commissions. It's just nothing but whip. And the same thing in the S&P, +1. If we can't get them, we can't get them. We're not going to let them spike up and have to try and scratch. All right, that was our euro trade. At least we get something in the euro. Just hysterical whip in crude oil. We still got the S&P working. It's like in a point in the S&P. We'll get something out of this one. Looking for it to get through this SR level. That'd be nice. Second try. As soon as the dome flips, I'm going to lock in 2 points in the S&P, but it's still to the downside. All right, lock in 2 points. May bounce up. We're going to get something out of this S&P trade. They're fighting really good here at 31, which you'd expect. But if they can't get it through, it's coming up. We'll get at least 2 points out of this trade. We may just call it a morning. Price is just not moving good for add-on trades. So we'll get what we can get. I mean, this whip, that is not for add-ons. There you go. 2 points is all we can get trailing. But it's better than nothing. And then this one was a scratch right before 9:30 when it wasn't doing anything for us. So they're see, look at this. We're out. Remember we said they could be spiking and falling through to the upside. So anyway, another nice add-on day. And we'll just stop now. We'll see if there's any questions. If there are, we'll deal with them. Okay, there you have it. Remember, we talked over and over about how dangerous these markets were, although they didn't really look it, maybe, but how they could turn on a dime and head to the upside. And sure enough, that's what they did, and you can see them starting right there. Even though we got really good entries, these trades could have turned into losers if we hadn't managed them the way we did. There on the left is the EuroFX market and the trades we got there as a part of the add-on day, including the second one, which was a nice little Wyckoff spring. Now here is the continuation of those moves that started, and you can see the horizontal support and resistance zone in the S&P. It stopped price on the first try to move up, came to the bottom of the zone and took off. Same thing in crude oil. That 4102 level that we were using got retested and price really shot up from there. Anyway, here's the CFTC disclaimer. It's very important. I urge you to pause and read it. And if you want more information or are interested in joining us in the live trading room, please visit my blog at www.chartsky.com or send me an email to chartskytrades@gmail.com. And as always, thanks for watching.